Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello everyone, welcome back. All praises go to the Most High Yah for allowing us to see another wonderful day. Happy Saturday, everybody. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. Today, y'all, I'm going to show y'all how to make a adjustable wire wrap ring using 10mm tiger's eye. Okay, 10mm tiger's eye. And here are the items that you will need in order to achieve this crafty vision look. So you're going to need a ruler. You're going to need a dowel. This dowel I purchased from Walmart. You get a pack of 3, okay? Of course, these, the tiger's eye, you can order, you can get these I got these from Amazon, okay? So you can find these on Amazon. You're also going to need some wire cutters, round nose pliers, and some copper wire. Now, I wanted my copper wire to be a little thicker, but the hole, when I tried to use 16 gauge, it was too thick. So what I'm using now is 18 gauge, okay? So let's go ahead and get on into this here video, y'all. So let me set this here and set that aside and set all of this goodness aside and this. Now, what you want to do is you're going to measure about 4 inches, or not, maybe 3.5 inches. Yeah. Let's do 3.5 inches, okay? You're going to take and place your your bead on. Take it up a little bit above, and this is what you're going to have. Okay, now what you're going to do, you got all this wire left now, and I'm sorry to mention, I'm using 23 inches of copper wire. Okay, 23 inches. So basically what you want to do is you're going to take this part of your wire and you're going to start wrapping it around your bead. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to bring it that way, and I'm just going to take it all the way over. And you want to try to make it just as snug as possible, okay? Take it all the way around. And when you get to the next part of that wire, go underneath. Go underneath and come all the way over. Now I'm going to straighten this out, okay? And I'm going to come all the way over and go over top. So this is pretty much what your ring is starting to look like. Okay, now what you want to do next is you're going to start wrapping this wire around this piece of your wire, okay? And you want to do just like this. Hold it as tight as you can, because you want every wrap to pretty much be the same size, if at all possible. Okay, and this is what you want to do with this whole, with this right here, okay? So as you can see, I have started. Now what I'm going to do so that the video is not extremely long is I am going to speed it up just a tad bit, and then I'm going to come back with the next part. Okay, y'all, so basically this is pretty much what you're gonna have. Don't take it all the way down because you don't have to, okay? Your gemstone is going to be nice and solid inside of there, okay? Now what you're going to do next is you're going to take your dowel and you're going to just place it on your dowel just like this and bring it around, okay? All the way around, all right? Now, if you have a ring mandrel, you can wrap it on the ring mandrel. It's completely up to you. All right. And this is pretty much, now let me see how this looks and fits. Awesome sauce. Okay. So basically, what I'm going to do next, because this is our ring, is I'm going to just make a little design. Now you can cut this. You don't necessarily have to make a design or anything like that if you don't want to. If you choose not to do that, it's completely up to you. But this is what I'm going to do with it to give it a different look. And I'm going to snip. I'm going to snip right here, like that. And just bring this piece in like that. And then with this piece here, I'm just going to go around and go around and go up here. And I'm going to snip it right here, because that way that wire is in there and you can't really see it. And I'm gonna take and put it back on here and bring these around like this. Okay. And the more you play with it, the more you can get it to how you want it to be on your finger. Okay, but this is it. This is our adjustable ring. Put it on, look at this. And there you have it. It's different. It's definitely unique. And you could probably wear it on any finger. That's this finger. You put it on this hand. You can wear it on this finger. You just gotta squeeze it in, make the adjustments. And my pinky, I'm not so sure. Might be too big for my pinky, but my thumb, see that? There you have it, y'all. And you can wear it this way too. You can wear it this way. Okay. All right. So this is too cute. So I want to take this time to say thank y'all for joining me. Please make sure that you thumbs up this video. You can use any type of gemstones to recreate this. If you don't have tiger's eye, if you have whatever you have, as long as it's round, yeah, as long as it's round, you're good to go, okay? And let me see. Yep. But this is our ring. Awesome share. Adjustable copper wire tiger's eye ring. So thank y'all so much for watching, and until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.